Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card deck box. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need sturdy cardstock, ideally around 110-pound weight for durability. Grab a ruler, a sharp craft knife or scissors, and a scoring tool for precise folds. Don't forget a reliable adhesive, such as craft glue or strong double-sided tape. Finally, have your deck of cards ready for accurate measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Now, let's get precise with our measurements. Carefully measure the length, width, and height of your card deck. Add about 1/8 of an inch to each dimension. This small allowance ensures your cards slide in and out easily. Using your ruler, mark out the base, side flaps, and top flap on your material. Accuracy is key, so double-check that all your lines are perfectly straight and corners form true 90-degree angles. With your measurements marked, it's time to cut and score. Using your craft knife and a cutting mat, carefully cut along all the outer lines. Next, take your scoring tool and gently score along all the interior lines. These scored lines will become your fold lines, making it much easier to create crisp, clean edges for your box. Remember, you're just indenting the material, not cutting through it, so apply light, even pressure. We're almost there. Now, carefully fold along all the scored lines, bringing your flat material into the three-dimensional shape of a box. Apply your chosen adhesive, whether craft glue or double-sided tape, to the designated tabs. Securely attach the side flaps, pressing firmly to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Hold each joint for about 10 to 15 seconds. Allow the glue to dry completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes, before placing your cards inside.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.